We need 2 eggs, chopped onions, green chilies, chopped garlic, chili flakes, salt, and maida. The dough has been prepared an hour back. Take a small quantity of the dough and let's roll it. Put little bit oil, just as shown in the video, and roll it as thin as you can. Please do subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Keep on rolling it till it is absolutely thin. We'll keep rolling it till it's finer. If you see, my rolling pin is very thin. The thinner the rolling pin, the better it is. A quick hack for all of you. We don't need to give it a perfect shape because this is going to be folded into a pocket shape. Heat the pan with oil. I am taking just this much oil. I will shallow fry the entire Mughlai Paratha. I will not deep fry it. If you want, you can add more oil and deep fry it. Now I will mix the eggs. Taking 2 eggs. With 2 eggs, you can make approximately 2 Mughlai Parathas. Adding chopped onions to my eggs. Adding chilies as per your taste. Adding chopped garlic. Remember, chopped garlic gives it an amazing flavor. If you want, you can add finer pieces of chopped ginger as well. Little bit salt and chili flakes. You can add black pepper as well. Now all this is as per your taste. We'll mix it nicely. Our mixture is ready. This is how we are going to fold it now. This is our rolled paratha. Our pan is heated, oil is heated. Now we'll take half of the mixture and add it to the paratha just like this. In the center of it. See that it doesn't spill out. Now fold it just like a book in this manner. The finer the paratha, the better it is in taste. Now pick it up like this and put it in your frying pan. Now if you want to deep fry it, it is always better. It gets cooked easily. But since we are shallow frying it, it will take some time. This is how we fry it so that the egg inside gets cooked. Take some time to fry it. Press on the paratha so that the egg inside gets cooked easily. See, this is how we keep on pressing it and helping it to cook easily because we are shallow frying it and not deep frying it. This is an amazing, easy recipe and it tastes wonderful. See, it is taking some time to get cooked completely. If it doesn't get cooked from the inside, see the egg is coming out when I just try to press it. So wait till the egg cooks. Please comment on our videos if you all like it. This looks to be almost done with the reddish color. See, this is how we toss the pan and help it to get that nice red crisp color. Just look at the color, isn't it amazing? And I'm sure you will definitely like it. Serve it with tomato sauce and cucumber and onions. It's definitely a delight. See, this is how it looks, completely cooked from inside. Thank you for watching.